Hi, welcome to the Gau House renovation project. Our project is finally complete. This mid-century modern has a refresh and I'm excited to show you around. So here in the kitchen, we've done quartzite counters. They're Taj Mahal, and we found them at Terrazzo and Tile and Wheeling and had our fabricator put it together for us. And the island is 2 inches taller because we have a family of tall humans, so this is good for a vent hood here that Derek has picked out. And then this is our induction cooktop that we have now, and it's great. It heats up really quickly, it's easy to clean. And our cabinets were done by Pegasus Cabinetry, and you may have seen my video a few times ago with Suzanne, and she introduced me to Andy. So our custom cabinets are green on the bottom. I call this Caroline green because it was 3 iterations of stain. This is stain, not paint, over the maple. We wanted to see the grain. We have oil rubbed bronze handles. And then here is our wall oven and the induction cooktop. Then over here on the cabinets, this is a Sherwin Williams Alabaster color, and it's been made into a stain for the uppers. And we have tons of cabinet storage for all of our projects, baking, decorating. And this herringbone tile is a green ceramic tile and put down in a herringbone pattern. And I love this farmhouse sink, which is a Kohler sink with a 60-40 divide. And it has these nice grates at the bottom to protect the sink. And our Delta faucet is got a few different sprayers like that. But I'm really happy with how the tile worked out.
Hi, I'm Caroline Gau in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office. Please click the bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to connect with you at Caroline Gau, Baird & Warner.
So I'm really happy with how the tile turned out, but also this fridge is very colorful. It's the Samsung Bespoke 4-door, and you can choose your own panels. So this is actually a metal, so you can put magnets on here to show up artwork. And then this is a glass panel with a pop of color, because you know all my houses have a pop of color. And I'm pleased with our pull-out drawers here, and they're all nicely labeled. And then up here, so it's easy to reach our snacks, we found this turntable. And then the hard to reach items, but we don't have to use those very often. And our floors in here are new hardwood in the kitchen and the dining room. And these were put in to match the foyer in the living room and the old dining room. And this is a 50-50 stain, so it's sort of a dark gray. And then in the dining room, this used to be the eat-in kitchen area, and some of the paint is still wet, so don't lean too close to it. And so I've set my fall table. You probably saw my Instagram video on setting a fall decor table. I'd like to introduce you to Michael Lyon with MPL Services, because this project couldn't have been completed on time and as beautiful as it is without his supervision. So we're very, very grateful to Mike, and he's been a pleasure to work with. Him and his son Kevin too have done a lot of great work here. I'd love to introduce you. So Mike, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
And if I could ask you, so you were very particular clients, and how did you make us happy, and what was the process, and how did you make it all happen?
Well, when you come into somebody's home, you have to treat it like it's yours. So looking for these clients, they made it very easy for us. doing it. Because again, her husband and her walked us through everything. Carolyn set everything up perfectly and beautiful. This is all her design. And we just followed her lead every day and made sure that we did everything we wanted at all times. Keeping dust free around the house, worrying about the dogs, just anything that keeps your client happy. Because giving the money a realtor
Almost.
in Northbrook.
So Mike, if somebody is considering a project, whether it's a kitchen, a bathroom, a new deck, what kind of things should they think about before calling you?
Well, talking to Carolyn, no, it's just preparing yourself and being diligent about coming in, sitting down, going over everything. And Carolyn made it very easy for me because of how she laid this job out. So it was a breeze. And it's good when you have a smart client that knows what they want. And again, it just makes my job that much easier to come to something like this. And they have great ideas.
Well, what happens if a client is a little intimidated and doesn't think they have great ideas? How can you help them through that process?
Well, I'll call Carolyn and have her come over and decorate for you at an extra charge.
Okay.
But like I said, when you get people that have a vision and they're ready with it, and when you walk in, it makes it simple for me to just complete, come to fruition with what they want. And again, I'll say it again, Carolyn made it very easy for us to make this kitchen beautiful and finish it.
Thank you so much, and we're going to show you around. We also did the family room and the living room with the flooring, and he supervised everything, and we're very happy. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much for the business, and more to come.